Thanks for considering our products here at Architectural Mall, where we strive to be the best in our space. This is a quick tutorial on how to set up freestanding columns. It is also available on our website as a PDF guide. Unload and unpack your order. Make sure all the parts and pieces are there. Make sure everything is stored on a solid, flat surface. Make sure that at every column location, you have an adequate concrete pad. Depending on your location, you may want to be below the frost line. Lay out the center point of each freestanding column and mark it with a pencil. Drill the proper sized holes into the concrete based on the anchor size that you received with your column. Clean up the area using a leaf blower. Using wire brush, clean out each hole. Set the anchors into the concrete using the provided anchor setting tool. Set the columns in position and set up a ladder to use. On tapered columns, you can gently slide down the bases from the top. On non-tapered columns, you will need to set the base first and then slide the columns inside. Insert the threaded rod from the top of the column. Make sure that you tighten it completely until the drop-in anchor is fully locked in and you can no longer turn the threaded rod. Be sure to use straight jaw pliers to tighten it all the way. Set the cap on. If you are having difficulty, you may need to use a string to help guide the threaded rod to the cap's hole. The threaded rod may stick out 1 to 2 inches. Put on the lock washer and nut. Then by using the same straight jaw pliers from earlier, tighten fully. Here is a close-up on how to set the caps. After you finish setting up all of the columns, caulk around the cap to column shaft, and then base to column shaft. This concludes the guide on how to install our freestanding columns. There are more videos on stair installations, railing to column installations, as well as other products. Again, thank you for considering our products for your project.